Factory owner, upper-class male industrialist who owned textile or ironworks. Income, $10,000 per year, won $200,000, wealthy elite, often living in mansions with servants. Aristocratic lady, upper-class woman, managing social duties and estate life. Income, $2,000 per year, personal allowance. $240,000, focused on charity, hosting events, and overseeing household staff. Bank clerk, middle-class male, working in finance sector. Income $150 per year, $18,000 USD, respectable position, suit wearing, upwardly mobile. School teacher, female, lower middle-class woman, often unmarried. Income $75 per year, $9,000 USD, strict expectations, limited rights, but literate and respected. Domestic maid, young female servant, working in a wealthy household. Income $20 per year, plus room and board, $2,400 USD, plus food and lodging. Long hours, hierarchical servant structure. Coal miner, working class male in dangerous low-paid labor. Income $40 per year, $4,800 USD, hard physical work, frequent injuries or health issues. Milliner, female, independent, female hat maker in the city. Income $60 per year, $7,200, lower middle class businesswoman, sometimes self-employed. Police constable, working class man with stable urban employment. Income $70 per year, $8,400, public servant, often ex-military, strict discipline. Child chimney sweep, orphaned or poor boy used for narrow flue cleaning. Income $4 per year, plus food scraps, $500 plus minimal sustenance. Extremely harsh and dangerous job, started as young as 6 years old. Seamstress, female, working class woman, doing piecework at home. Income $25 per year, $3,000, long hours, very low pay, no job security.